Welcome back guys, we're TrustedShopGuy.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best manual tire changers. We all know the hassle of dealing with a flat tire, and having the right tool can make all the difference. That's where manual tire changers come in. After putting several to the test, here are the best ones out there. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShopGuy.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The fifth manual tire changer in our list is the VEVOR Manual Steel Tire Changer, which TrustedShopGuy.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. The VEVOR is a 3-piece kit which includes a dismounting tool, bead keeper, and mounting bar for quick and easy tire replacement. This unit is made for 22.5 to 24.5 inch tires. It features a tire-friendly design with thickened and smooth parts that come into contact with the wheel hub and tire. It even features a nylon roller, allowing you to insert it into the wheel hub to prevent any damage or rubbing. When it comes to durability, we would like to highlight that the VEVOR is made from high-frequency quenched forged steel and coated with a rust-resistant spray. On top of that, the bead keeper is made from durable, wear-resistant reinforced nylon material. These properties ensure a robust structure for maximum stability while allowing for tire disassembly work with no deformation whatsoever. As for the size, this manual tire changer measures 51.18 by 10.4 by 7.8 inches and weighs 24.2 pounds. Now, while this isn't actually a drawback, we recommend applying the proper lubrication to minimize friction as you work. This prevents possible wear and tear during the process. The Trusted Shopping Guy team recommends this for large workhorse vehicles such as tractors, trailers, and trucks. The fourth manual tire changer in our list is the TALOOS Tire Changing Tool, which TrustedShopGuy.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. The TALOOS is as straightforward as a manual tire changer can get, allowing you to remove and replace a tire in just 5 minutes. The mounting bar is 38 inches by 4/5 of an inch in size, allowing it to accommodate most standard sizes of tubeless tires so that you'll be able to meet various heavy-duty tire changing requirements. Design-wise, you'll be able to use it with just a single hand, enabling you to use it in pairs so that you'll be able to replace even larger tires. The mounting end features a precision-forged knob that grips the rim, preventing any slipping during tire mounting. On top of that, its curved design allows the tool to grab the bead edge for maximum stability. The demount end, on the other hand, features a precision-forged angle tip that slides between the rim and bead with relative ease. Its design also prevents slipping when demounting the second bead. When it comes to durability, the TALOOS is made from 40 chromium steel, making it an incredibly solid one-piece tool. It also has a powder-coated surface to ensure smoothness, rust resistance, and low friction. As for the size, this tire changing tool measures 38 inches long and 1.57 inches wide. It also weighs just 5 pounds, making it the most compact and lightest on today's list, perfect for storing in the trunk or under the seat. While this is a great tool overall, one small drawback is that you'll need two if you'll be working on larger tires. So if you do find yourself working on bigger tires, consider enlisting a helper. Having an extra set of hands can make the job much smoother. Alternatively, you might explore using a secondary support like a sturdy block or wedge to provide additional stability. The Trusted Shopping Guy team recommends this for sedans or compact cars due to the tool's handy size. The third manual tire changer in our list is the Rabaconda Manual Tire Changer Machine, which TrustedShopGuy.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. The Rabaconda has literally everything you'll ever need to change a motorbike tire. This tool is designed with an ergonomic working height, which leaves you with no backaches or time spent working on your knees. It even includes a motorcycle tire stand for added convenience. Being a highly versatile kit, the Rabaconda is suited for wheel sizes ranging from 16 to 21 inches. The motorcycle tire bead breaker also works best on tubeless, bib moose, tire balls, tubeless, and regular tube setups. Not only is it a brilliant all-around unit, but it's also conveniently compact and portable. You'll be able to assemble it in mere seconds with no tools needed. To help you out, the kit even comes with a strong Cordura 1000D carry bag, allowing you to carry it around with relative ease while keeping it safe. As for its size, the Rabaconda Manual Tire Changer Machine measures 27.5 by 10 by 11 inches and weighs a total of 34 pounds. Now let's address the elephant in the room. This kit comes at a premium price, but it makes tire changing extremely easy and quick, which is why you still get what you pay for in this high-end model. The trusted shopping guide team recommends this for both off-road and on-road motorbikes. The second manual tire changer in our list is the BLACKHORSE-RACING tire changer, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. This manual tire changer set is made for mounting and demounting stubborn 17.5 to 24.5 inch tires while keeping them well protected in the process. The BLACKHORSE removes the need for you to lift and rim to remove the bottom bead. With that, you'll only need a single tool when demounting the tires. Being ergonomically designed, this tool features a non-slip handle, ensuring a secure and firm grip as you do your work. To ensure top-notch durability, these tools are crafted from heavy-duty drop-forged carbon steel construction, boasting a 3mm seamless tube main body and topped off with a powder-coated gloss-finished surface. These elements combine to make this mount and demount tool not only smooth in operation, but also resistant to rust and built to last. In order to protect the tire bead, the set also comes with nylon rollers, which help prevent possible strain as well as serious damage, which saves valuable casings for successful retreading. Versatility-wise, the BLACKHORSE doesn't disappoint. It's made for a wide range of applications and is a universal fit for various vehicles. It's also compatible with most radial and bias-ply tires such as truck and bus tires. As for the size, this unit measures 39.4 by 11.8 by 9.8 inches and weighs 30.7 pounds. We did notice one drawback though. The kit doesn't come with any instructions, but you can take a look at online videos and see how they do it with similar models. Once you figure it out, you'll be making a short workout of changing a tire. The trusted shopping guide team recommends this for SUVs and pickup trucks due to their larger wheels. The best manual tire changer in our list is the Mophorn Tire Mount Tire Changer Steel, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. At the top of the list, we have the Mophorn Tire Mount Tire Changer, designed specially for larger vehicles. This tool perfectly fits 22.5 to 24.5 inch hubs and assists you in handling tire changing or retreading tasks. The set comes in 3 pieces to get the job done efficiently: a mounting tool, a demounting tool, and a bead keeper, allowing you to finish up in 3 minutes or so. To ensure maximum durability, the tire changer tool is rust-proof and made from high-strength, drop-forged 40 manganese steel and powder-coated Q23 5B, make it friction-proof and crush-proof. The bead keeper is also constructed from wear-proof reinforced nylon, which protects your tire, rim, and tool. Boasting an ergonomic design, the set comes with nylon rollers that allow you to do the job with relative ease. The comfortable and ergonomic handle, on the other hand, allows for a firm and solid grip. As for the size, the tire changer has dimensions of 39.37 by 11.02 by 10.24 inches and weighs 28 pounds. Now, there was one limitation that we did notice when using this kit. The instructions are a bit hard to understand, but once you familiarize yourself with the process, it's going to be considerably easier. The trusted shopping guide team recommends this for large vehicles such as trucks, coaches, semi-trailers, and forklifts. And there you have it, folks, our best manual tire changers, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for next manual tire changer roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.